Look at that. Seriously, taco burgers need to be the next big thing at your place. I'm Schuey, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make taco burgers. That's right, we're going to combine two of your favorite foods to make one mega food. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. Now, to make our burger patties, all we need to do is weigh out 150 grams of minced meat and shape them into burger patties. Easy enough to do. Easy enough to do. Easy enough to do. Easy enough to do. Now, if like me, you struggle to make your own burger patties, I suggest hunting down some of these Icon Australian Wagyu beef patties that I picked up from Cuisine Premium Meats. I'm assured they're sold everywhere. Everywhere, Mick? Surely not in Antarctica. Or are they? Wagyu has a great natural beefy flavour, so I'll go light on the seasoning and just sprinkle them with a bit of salt. Now, a sprinkle is just that. Don't go covering these so they look like they've got dandruff. Today, I'm going to be using a 57cm Weber kettle, and I'm going to be pairing it up with one charcoal basket. Why, I hear you ask? Because I want to be smoking at temps of 135 degrees Celsius today. How I'll do that is I'll 3/4 fill the charcoal basket with briquettes. That way I know exactly how much fuel I need and dump it into the chimney starter. And then light them up. And once they're all fully ashed over, we're going to dump them into that charcoal basket on one side of the charcoal grate. Then we can pop the grill back in, then popping the lid on, opening all the vents and making sure that lid vent is on the opposite side of our fuel, and we're going to give that 10 minutes to warm up. Time for some Q&A, and the first answer to a question is, beer is good. It's enough of that. The Weber's at temp so we can get these burgers on the heat. Just place them on the opposite side of the lit fuel, leaving some spacing between each burger patty. I'll also add a chunk of cherry wood for some smoky flavour. Then pop the lid back on, keeping that lid vent over our food. By positioning the lid vent over your food, the heat and smoke is drawn over it. Today I'm smoking at temps of 135 degrees Celsius, and all up, this cook's going to take about an hour for these burgers to be reading 74 degrees Celsius internally. Or for those of you who like to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. This is minced meat. It needs to be cooked to 74 degrees Celsius internally to kill off any bacteria. All meat has bacteria on the outside, and when cooked, it kills it off. But when you mince up meat, that bacteria gets mixed up all through it. If you don't cook your mince properly, you are risking death and cooties. Once the burgers have reached an internal temp of 72 degrees Celsius, we can pop some cheese on them. And today I'm using cheddar, but you can use any high melt cheese that you want. I just like to add 2 slices of cheese to every burger patty and pop the lid back on for a couple of minutes just to let it melt. And by the time the cheese is melted, the burger should be reading 74 degrees Celsius internally, and they can come off the grill. Now would be a great time to subscribe to my channel, and while you're there, hit that bell button. That bell button will allow you to be notified every time I melt some more cheese. Now we just need to add some lettuce and tomato into these hard stuff and stand taco shells. And then we just need to get the burger patties and the melted cheese off the grill. And now, using a knife that's way too big, we'll cut the burger patties in half. And then it's just time to stuff your meat in the taco. Then just squeeze in some sauce and some mustard, and then just slide in your pickle. Now, if you don't like pickle in your taco, you don't have to have it. No one's judging you. Now, since we cooked the burgers to 74 degrees Celsius internally, we're going to live to eat barbecue another day. Now, these seriously are that good. They should be illegal. As always, cheers for watching.